For inside 1997, one Igbo man wey no book well wey be electrical engineer and lecturer for inside Federal Polytechnic in Nehe, wey dem dey call Dr Ezekiel Izuogu. Na him do and design the Izuogu Z-600 o, and na him be the first home car wey dem manufacture for inside obodo Nigeria and Africa. The car wey British Broadcasting Corporation describe as African dream car machine o, because 90% of the parts na local things na im dey use o. The money for the car na just $2,000 and e for shock the world o say na im for be the cheapest motor, and people for just dey buy am with chikili money. They don even plan how they go use to produce this motor plenty under Izuogu motor plant for inside Nehe for Owerri. Motor wey dey well equipped wey carry self-made 1.8L 4-cylinder engine wey get 18 mpg wey go make the motor fit run reach the top speed of 140 km/h, and e get 4-wheel drive. Na so General Sani Abacha come gather 12 men no panel wey be professionals. He say make dem checkmate this car to know if the car good o and if the motor dey kakaraka to run for road. Na so dem checkmate the car and the committee come out to come give Izuogu clear bill say the motor dey good say but make him try make e do the body make the body smooth well. E go shock you to know say na 5 years before Indians dem come start to dey build their first car. The ogbonge party wey dem come do to unveil this car na Mr. Ladipo Dia, na him represent General Sani Abacha, and over 20 foreign ambassadors dem and plenty people even gather for the place. Na so federal government come out to come promise say they go give Dr Ezekiel 235 million naira. Na so belle come sweet Dr Ezekiel come dey happy but as me and him dey talk now like this now, the money don enter voicemail and Dr Ezekiel no see shishi till today. For inside 2006 na so South African government come invite Dr Ezekiel say make him come teach dem how him take dey do him car. Plenty ogbonge engineers dey come sit down and they wan hear Dr Ezekiel teaching As he finish him teaching, na so the thing come sweet South African people. They come out to come dey beg and say abeg carry your plant to come inside South Africa make e come start to dey produce plenty car. But Dr Ezekiel not just happy at all say he wan carry him plant to go South Africa, because he wan make him do am locally for inside Nehe for Owerri. Make people for see plenty work and employment go come increase for inside Nigeria. But on Saturday 2006 around that kind 2 a.m. na so 12 able men wey carry gun na so the boss will enter inside Dr Ezekiel factory for inside Nehe for Owerri. Na so they carry machine carry things wey be saying they use to take dey produce all this motor, come carry design history book of Z-600 motor and design file of Z-Max wey carry design wey fit make the plenty motor of Z-600 and mode wey be saying they use to dey do the parts of this motor. This thief dey really come to kill and stop the effort of Dr Ezekiel, making no fit produce the first home local car for inside obodo Africa. Dr Ezekiel come out to come bite the hand. They say, oh, he don lose over 1 billion naira, and not be only money but the time of about 10 years when he put to just waste like that. Even in design notebook they don thief am. Chai, na so Dr Ezekiel dream just take die. My country people, so Nigeria come be obodo country wey be say dream dey kpai or die just like that. This na Man About Town, reporting from Pidgin News Network.